Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the core documents, scan the passport photo page, and have a clear selfie. Open Passport Index, then sign in or create an account. This protects your saved data. Once done, grant camera and storage permissions so the app can capture and upload images directly. Make sure your phone is charged above 50% and on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interrupted uploads. That reduces errors and speeds the initial verification stage. Now you perform the detailed data capture. Use the in-app camera to photograph the MRZ and entire passport page. The app will auto-extract fields. Check each extracted field, name, date of birth, passport number, and expiry, and correct any OCR mistakes immediately. Once fields look accurate, follow the selfie liveness check steps to match identity. If the app requests additional supporting ID, upload it promptly to prevent verification delays. Finish by reviewing your saved passport profile and selecting export or secure share options for travel planning. Once complete, enable notifications so you get status updates and renewal reminders. This prevents surprises. If verification fails, retry the capture in daylight and avoid glare, or clear the app cache and retake photos with a plain background. If issues persist, contact in-app support with the error code. They can guide reprocessing without losing your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.